What's up guys, this is Mansi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to solve this trigonometric equation. 5 cosine 2 theta plus 2 cosine squared theta over 2 plus 1 equals to 0. We know cosine 2 theta is cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta, and if we want to keep it like cosine, we know sine squared theta is 1 minus cosine, so it's going to be 2 cosine squared theta minus 1. Then we know cosine squared theta equals to 1 plus cosine 2 theta over 2, which means that cosine squared theta over 2 equals to 1 plus cosine theta over 2. So I can rearrange it here. I can write it as 5 times 2 cosine squared theta minus 1 plus 2 times, basically 2 times 1 plus cosine theta over 2 plus 1 equals to 0, which makes it as 10 cosine squared theta minus 5 plus these two cancel out, 1 cosine theta plus 1 equals to 0. So then we have 10 cosine squared theta plus cosine theta, 2 and negative 5 is going to be negative 3 equals to 0. Now I have quadratic the equation. I need to factor it if it's possible. 10 times negative 3 is going to be negative 30, and here we have 1, so I think the number is going to be 6 and 5. So 10 cosine squared theta plus 6 cosine theta minus 5 cosine theta minus 3 equals to 0. So then it's going to be 2 cosine theta, 5 cosine theta plus 3 minus 5 cosine theta plus 3 equals to 0. Then you have 2 cosine theta minus 1, 5 cosine theta plus 3 equals to 0. So one answer is going to be cosine theta equals to 1 over 2. One answer is going to be cosine theta equals to negative 3 over 5. So one answer is going to be theta equals to pi over 3. One answer is going to be cosine inverse of negative 3 over 5, which will be basically, since it has to be between negative pi to pi, is going to be only in quadrant 2, so it's going to be pi minus cosine negative 3 over 5. So that's going to be the answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can have access to at least 100 questions regarding trigonometric equations and lots of questions regarding trigonometric identities and other topics in math and chemistry and physics. Thank you for watching and have a great day.